Hello everybody! I would like to introduce to you the MS900 8-channel SDI mobile video studio. The MS900 is the first 8-channel mobile video studio on the market. It has a lot of unique features which can save you both time and money. It uses a modular design which enables you to choose the types of input you require. The 8 inputs can be any combination of SDI, DV, YUV component, S-video, DVI, or composite video. The unique design makes the MS900 the most versatile and affordable mobile video studio available. The MS900 can also be used as a multi-camera virtual studio. You can use up to 4 cameras and 4 matching multi-angle backgrounds. You can monitor and switch live. There is no need for additional software. There is no more convenient or cost-effective way to produce a multi-camera virtual studio than the MS900. Let me first show you around the outside of the MS900. The MS900 weighs only 68 kilos with a total height of 8U, which can easily be loaded and moved in an ordinary car. The aluminum casing is surrounded with shock-proof compressed foam padding, and there are handles on the side for easy lifting. The wiring is fully integrated, which greatly reduces installation time. Now let's take a look at the individual items that make the MS900 so unique. The whole system is built from several components. SE900 8-channel SD switcher, TLM170 17-inch high-definition TFT LCD monitor, DN500 removable hard drive digital video recorder, ITC100 8-channel intercom talkback system, PD1 power distribution center. Now, let me introduce to you the special features of the equipment. First, the TLM170 is a 17-inch high-definition TFT LCD monitor. It has a strong, shock-proof metal housing, and its unique pull-out design occupies only 1U of space. The 17-inch widescreen has an adjustable mode display that can display 16:10, 16:9, and 4:3 aspect ratios. It has a 1440 by 900 pixel high-resolution screen, a dual light tube LCD display which can clearly be seen even outdoors. Multiple signal inputs include 6 video formats: HD-SDI or SD-SDI, HDMI, YUV component, S-video, and 2 composite video inputs. It also has a tally signal input. A bicolor tally light is displayed above the screen. Built-in speakers on either side, audio monitoring. Other special features include an adjustable picture-in-picture function, a 4:3 mask, and an adjustable safe area frame overlay, overscan and underscan modes. Next is the DN500 removable hard drive digital video recorder. Here are some of the features. The DN500 is just 1U high. It is robustly constructed with a strong metal casing. The DN500 has an easily removable 2.5-inch hard drive. Each hard drive can record up to 18 hours. It can record in either DV or M2T format. The removable hard drive features both eSATA and mini USB 2 ports, which can be connected directly to a computer for easy file access. Files can be dragged and dropped straight from the drive. There is a built-in audio monitor which gives live monitoring of the audio as it's being recorded. The third component is the ITC100 8-channel intercom talkback system. The features are: the ITC100 uses the same compact 1U high design. It can support a maximum of 8 communication channels. A single 5-pin cable connects each slave unit to the base station. This carries 2-way communication power and tally light information. The distance between the main unit and each slave unit can be up to 200 meters, which is more than enough for most shoots. On the front of the base station, there are XLR connectors for a microphone and gooseneck light. The light can be quite useful in darker galleries and halls. It is also possible for the slave units to communicate with each other. Each slave unit is provided with a basic headset and microphone, although you can also use standard headsets if you prefer. The heart of the system is the SE900 8-channel SD digital switcher that has the following features. The SE900 can take up to 8 modular video input cards, which can be any variety of video formats. You can select from the following video formats: SDI, DV, DVI component, YUV, S-video, or composite video. Any combination of formats can be used. You can choose the setup that best suits your requirements. All input cards also give you composite video out to provide inexpensive video monitoring. All input cards have a built-in time base corrector, so you can seamlessly switch or mix without having to use an external sync signal. The SE900 has a unique 10-way multi-image monitor output. This enables all 8 inputs, as well as next source preview and program output, to be monitored on one screen. This simple feature saves a huge amount of space, as only one monitor is required. Of course, you can use individual monitors on all the inputs and outputs if you prefer. This SE900 also has an easy adjustable audio delay for perfect video audio sync with DV and SDI sources. The SDI and DV outputs allow the audio to be embedded. Audio inputs and outputs include RCA and balanced audio via XLR. The SE900 has both internal and external downstream keying. The internal key features a time-based corrector, so there is no need for an external sync signal, and there is an SDI CG loop for external SDI titlings and overlays. The Chroma keyboard enables up to 4 separate Chroma key channels. You can use green or blue screen on each channel, and it's possible to seamlessly switch between them. The SE900 has support for 2 separate logos. These can also be used in combination to display a larger single logo. One of the unique features of the SE900 is that it can be used as a 4-channel virtual studio. 4 live camera inputs and 4 sets of matching multi-angle virtual backgrounds can be set up. You can then simultaneously switch between the 4 cameras and their corresponding backgrounds. Do you want to know what other features that the SE900 has? Well, it has contrast, brightness, saturation, and RGB color correction for each individual input. As well as manual control, there are 6 automatic take speeds. Wait, there are more! The SE900 uses 2-way transmission wiring. You only need 1 video cable plus 1 ITC100 cable to carry the video, audio, communication, and tally transmission to and from each camera. And by using the built-in color processing and the RGB color correction, you can achieve video correction effects similar to CCU functionality. In other words, you can achieve a professional result with an easier setup and at a lower cost. Now the PD1, Power Distribution Center. The PD1 is the main power supply for the entire MS900. A single power feed from a car or power generator can be used to supply power to the MS900. You just need 1 AC or DC power source, and the PD1 will distribute the power to the entire MS900. You can rest assured that the PD1 conforms to the US and European safety standards. The PD1 can be connected to 3 different kinds of electric power source: 110 volt AC, 220 volt AC, or 12 volts 30 amp DC. For individual safety, the PD1 has individual fail-safe fuses on each of its outputs. Now you've seen my quick introduction of the MS900, I hope you can see that it is a truly versatile studio with many possible applications. These are just some of the ways that it is being used. Indoor or outdoor on-site work. Events such as seminars, presentation ceremonies, lectures, plays, musicals, weddings. In worship, education, and many other live production events. Inexpensive virtual studios such as shopping channels, talk shows, newsrooms. Before I go, let me remind you of the important points of this MS900. 1. The whole system is inexpensive and versatile. 2. The performance and features compare to products which are much more expensive and difficult to use. 3. And last but not least, it can easily be owned by a small to medium-sized production company. Thank you for taking the time to watch this introduction. I'm sure you will agree that the MS900 offers a truly unique and affordable package for mobile studio applications. Thank you. Goodbye.